Welcome back to Inside the Box. Today I'm going to walk you through how to delete an expired credit card or debit card off of your eBay account. I recently had some cards expire, so I need to do this. So I'll just walk you through on my account here. I will have some private information blacked out, but we're going to start on the home screen of eBay. I'm going to go to the top left corner and hover over my name and click Account Settings. Once I'm on this page, I'm going to select Payments in the center of the page. I'm going to scroll down until I find my card information. Once I find these payment options, I can see I have two that have expired. So I'm just going to hit the delete button in the bottom right-hand corner of each of these. That will bring up this prompt box to verify that I actually want to delete this. It says to use it again, you have to add this payment method back to your wallet. Let me know if you guys want a video on that. I do have a video about adding a bank account to eBay, so make sure you go check that out if you haven't already. I'm going to click on delete. I'll refresh this page and it just slid everything over. That option is no longer available, so this was the second option here. I'm going to hit delete. And again, the same prompt box, delete. Then once the page refreshes, it should only show my two active payments. And there you go, my active payments are now at the top, and I've deleted my old debit and credit cards. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button so it pushes it out in the YouTube algorithm so other people can find this video too. And please consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of how-to eBay videos like this. If you guys are interested in that, I also talk about ways you can make money with skills and tools you already have, the things that are inside your box. Thanks everyone, and I will catch you in my next video.